lost it now. Okay, Sawblade. Elevation 2,250. Welcome to Sawblade. Trail designed and built by Tom.
Sweet.
Hey, looks like there's a two junction. There's a right junction, and there's a left junction, and right here, looks like some business is happening here.
Oh yeah, I see the left jump.
Wow! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Good stuff. First rocket. Whoa! Oh my God! Better than the last one that we do. Oh yeah! And a few pedal kick there. Oh yeah! Sawblade! Free ride! Free ride. The meaning of free ride. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah. Need to practice a little bit more. Here, so tight here.
Tight. Almost got hung up on something there. Oh, this is... Oh.
Almost too much bike. Too much bike for this. Normally the do is good. Oh. Very tight, very tight. Old school trail. Better on a hardtail. But anyways, it's still okay. It's still test our turning skills here. Sawblade, natural trail. Okay. Ooh, my God. Okay, yeah. Do the nose manual.
Huh. Yeah. Yeah, even your bike looks so long.
Huh?
Your bike looks so long, man.
My bike is... I think you have to watch the Ryan Leach video.
Yeah, the endo turn.
Trail is better on what is it called? Not on a hardtail. Huh? What happened here? Wow! Right, I think it's probably... Wow! I almost slipped.
It's slippery, man.
Yeah.
It's slippery, man. Yeah, borderline. The grip is not great there.
Man.
Oh.
You almost I watched at least 5 videos.
Watch some YouTube.
Who knows manual?
Okay. Oh God.
I lost the momentum, sorry.
You lost the...
Go.
Let's just back up.
Okay, now here, we start again.
Oh, I don't even know which way to go. Which way do we go?
Okay.
Probably not that way. Probably this way, right?
This way, man.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's the uphill.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, Sawblade Trail.
Okay.
Wow, waterfall, very pretty here. Beautiful. Wow, this is Sawblade Fall.
Okay. Let's get a good...
Fall. Very pretty here. Very big waterfall. Wow, pretty big actually.
Huh. Muddy.
Hey, I can go down this way. It's a worthy trail.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's worth the hike all the way out there, but...
Okay, that's an honest opinion. Probably not worth the hike.
The honest opinion.